One Well, The Story of Water on Earth, written by Rochelle Strauss, illustrated by Rosemary Woods, pages 14 and 15. Watery Habitats. A habitat is a place where an animal can find everything it needs to live: food, shelter, space, and water. Water is such an important part of an animal's habitat that if there isn't enough available, the animal will move away, even if all its other needs are met. Most animals depend entirely on watery places, such as oceans, lakes, and wetlands, for their habitat. Freshwater habitats, lakes, rivers, streams, are home to about 12% of all the animal species in the world. Saltwater habitats, oceans, seas, and some saltwater lakes, are home to 60% of all fish species, as well as many other species, including some mammals and reptiles, such as whales, turtles, and sea snakes. Some of these animals live their whole lives in water and wouldn't survive out of it. Others, such as frogs, toads, and many insects, spend part of their lives in the water and part on land. Whether water is their habitat or just part of whether water is their habitat or just part of their habitat, animals could not survive without it. Some rainforest frogs, insects, spiders, worms, and bacteria live their entire lives in the tiny pools of water that get trapped by the leaves of the bromeliad plant. Coral reefs are found in the warm, shallow waters of oceans. They have been described as the rainforests of the sea because they are home to an incredible diversity of species. Saltwater marshes are wetlands that occur where the land meets the sea. These habitats are home to a wide diversity of species, from microscopic bacteria, fungi, and algae to fish, crustaceans, reptiles, birds, and mammals. How can fish live in frozen lakes? Water freezes from the top down, but it rarely freezes right through. The ice at the surface is like a blanket that keeps the water below from freezing.